recommend you leave me alone, cause when I strike, it can sting for years. And bitch, I'd rather be feared than to be revered. So bow down when the king appears and keep clear, cause heads fly when Joker starts to swing his spear. I'm like Gerard Butler in a fucking Spartan suit, and the tip of my black boots about to part them glutes. Like who you really trying to start with, Dukes? I rhyme doper than you rapping with my butt, throwing farts through flutes. The greatest rapper ever is me. I'll hike from SeaWorld to Bisbee and throw a stingray at you like a frisbee. I'll leave you looking tipsy, then cock back my fist and hit you so hard the impact will resonate through history. You piss me off and quickly you'll get stonewalled. I'm coming at you like the Indiana Jones ball, kicking rhymes so heavy I keep breaking my own jaw. Joking Mr. Gray, we told y'all we bringing it raw. How we bringing it raw? How we bringing it raw? How we bringing it raw? How we coming with the hey, Joker smile, Joker hey, Joker smile, never how you seen it before. How we bringing it raw? How we bringing it raw? Don't be surprised if I crack your jaw.
Max Star, Maximilian. Nigga say I suck? Well, you're a dumb son of a bitch. I oughta uppercut your mom and put a gun to her hips. Don't be mad cause I'm running this shit. I'd have fun with your bitch and throw her out after I come on her tits. And I drive fast cars to these die trash bars just to hear the white girls say, hi, Max Star. So don't hate, I'ma blaze this. This is Mortal Kombat for ages. And you're about to catch a Johnny Cage kick. I'm about to bang your bitch till my drum pops. She loves cock and she wants it cause I'm dumb hot. She can drink a sun drop and 50 million cum shots before I ever give that ratchet bitch the #1 spot. I'm at the Mo Bread. When Max Star comes out, I'ma shine brighter than Tyra Banks' forehead. And this is a problem song, and I'm bringing it so wrong, I should probably put a condom on. Star!